can create charts in Excel in a number of ways. First, open up the charts exercise file, and the first worksheet we have is this data, so-called ABC Trading. It is a global sales data. Let's use it for creating charts. First, highlight the data we want to create the chart. Let's create, let's select this data. We can start by Alt and F1 method. Alt plus F1, we can get a chart immediately right on the same worksheet here. Let's decrease the size to see the data, and notice the menu system is changed. We have got the charts, tools, a design tab, and a format tab also. The most standard way to create a chart is to go to Insert tab here. Let's first select the data, go to Insert, and here we have recommended charts. We can try that. It gives us a cluster chart, or we may use our choice here. We can use the provided one. So this is the same chart with the last one we created. There are many chart types here. We will explore in the next lectures. There is another way to create charts. Let's delete the other end, select the data and see the preview. There's a lot of type, so we can try this. There is also another way to create charts. Let's select the data, and there is a small box at the bottom and suggests a quick analysis. If we click it, it will take us to charts. Here, let's click it, and here is charts. We can see the preview of the provided charts showing our data. It's great. So in the next lecture, we'll be busy working on exploring the different chart types.